There's going to be another giveaway video, quite a big one. This time it's going to be a MIG welder from Artec. So if you just keep watching my channel, you'll get a notification when that video comes up. Once again, all you'll have to do is comment and put in a special phrase. I've been asked to make one of them. It's a baffle plate out of a wood burning stove. It's obviously had a bit of a hard life. So what I've done, I've flattened it out and I've done some measurements and I've made a drone, and I'm going to cut one of these out of 2mm mild steel plate. That's the drone I've produced for it. Then we'll take it into a program called Sheet Can. It gives us that's actually what's going to cut out, and you set your parameters for your cut. Then we'll go into the actual cutting program, Mark 3, and that's what it's going to cut out. So hopefully we'll get it set up and get it cut. This is part of a very old wood burning stove. A friend of mine is sort of renovating. He's managed to get a new one of those pieces, but this tin part here you can't get, but just not available. So what I've done is cut them on just out of 2mm mild steel. I haven't bent it because I'm not quite sure what shape it's meant to be, but those two hole centers pick up, and I'm sure I'll be able to make something out of that. I've left it slightly bigger all round so you can grind it. He's got a little bit of tolerance to play with. That's the first one done. The second one is this very ornate front end, and there's a piece missing out of there. Now I've cut a piece of 4mm. It kind of fits in there, and I've got to make a fancy stainless steel knob to fit onto there, and then he can probably weld brackets on the back so it actually hooks in. I'm not quite sure how it's held into there, but I'm sure I'll be able to make something from that. So I'm going to go on the lathe and make a nice fancy stainless steel knob for there, and that's another one done. Look at this shite everywhere. good. Aye, the bastard's warm. It's a good start anyway. A lot of people talk about using emery tape on the lathe. You don't use a big bit when your hands are in close, so it can't get wrapped round. There's no jewellery, no long sleeves, and I'm completely aware of what I'm doing. The woodworkers do this all the time, but somebody will still complain that I shouldn't be doing this. See if I can grip this just enough to get some threads into it. Definitely time to tidy the lathe up because I can't find anything anymore. Right, we'll give it a try, face it first and put some threads into it. Hopefully it'll bastard. Hopefully it'll bastard alright. Right, what I'll do, I'll file the end of that flat and we should be able to get away with just putting the drill in there. I'm going to leave that up against the job, give it a little bit more support. These are some cheap spot drills I got off Banggood and they've been really good. It's a 5mm one, which will take a 6mm tap. That'll do it for me. This is a little tap wrench that I actually made at school and I've still got it. Don't like putting threads into stainless, it's horrible stuff. Oh dear me. I should have really drilled the hole a little bit bigger than the 5mm because it's not like a super critical thread, it's just an ornate knob. In fact, there's probably enough thread in there. I'm going to give in at that. Absolutely. and we give in at that. I'm going to put it back in the lathe and just polish that mark off, and then we'll screw a little stud into then. That should do the job for him. Stainless bolt. I put a nut on so when I screw the, when I cut that with a saw, when I screw the nut off, that'll clean the threads up. That's the theory behind it anyway. I've got 2 junior hacksaws. I think that's the one I made at school, and that's a original Eclipse one. Go on, John, snap it off, you impatient bastard, you. Look at that, just a job. Right, so that simply drops into there. Stainless washer on the back. I was going to make this plate out of stainless, but the lad's going to do it with stove black, so it's pointless wasting stainless when he's going to paint it. Right. And I think that looks very nice. I like it. I hope he likes it. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. I'd only like to wish all my viewers a Merry Christmas. I don't care whether you want to call it Happy Holidays, Happy Christmas. I don't care in the slightest. To me, it's Merry Christmas, and all Christmas is about is families, friends, children, meeting up with people you haven't seen for quite a long time. Also a little bit of extra food, a little bit of drink won't go wrong. But if there's somebody you haven't seen for a long time, don't put it off, go and see them. Please, it is important. Anyway, thanks for watching.